Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can sync with your friends on RH Dance Studio. You're just going to type in slash sync and their username. So for me I don't really want to say my username, but for instance it's Clara Boo. I don't know. Press enter, and then for instance your friend plays like a song, it's going to automatically sync with you. So here I'm just going to play like a song here. Oh, and yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.